In manufacturing, quality is where reputation lives. Every component that leaves your line has to be perfect. No scratches, no deformations, no missed defects. For years, the answer was always the same. More inspectors, longer shifts, hope that nobody misses anything. But today, there's another way. This is Pick-Apart, artificial intelligence that inspects every single part in real time. Watch how it works. As your component moves through the line, our AI sees every surface. It doesn't look for what you expect, it finds what matters. Scratches that compromise function, surface deformations that indicate tool wear, material variances that signal quality drift, all caught instantly. All while the part is still on your line. Pass or reject. Instant classification, no ambiguity, no waiting, no surprises. What's the payoff? Defect-driven scrap down 40 to 60%. Zero hidden costs from field returns. And confidence. The confidence that every component leaving your line is truly compliant. And the data, real-time. Metrics that show you where to maintain your tools before they break. Trends that optimize your process automatically. Pick-Apart doesn't replace your team. It frees them. Frees your inspectors from repetitive work so they focus on what matters: critical thinking, problem-solving, continuous improvement. Quality isn't a cost. It's your competitive edge. And your edge deserves artificial intelligence.